Let me introduce you to three very, very important guests right here in the studio. Sir, Mr. Cherappan, thank you very much for coming over here. Could you introduce yourself, sir?
See, I am the General Secretary of Bombay Citizens Forum.
Right.
And we are fighting the Reliance Energy for the last many years. Excess billing
and now the bills are going to be even more. Sir, and yourself?
My name is Akshpal Abrol.
Ji, Abrol
I am representing Bharatiya Udyami and Ubhokta Sangh of Bombay.
Udyami and Ubhokta Sangh.
Yes.
Ji, that's the small scale industries, right?
No, it's a total industry as well as consumers.
Right.
Both together. I am fighting this particular battle with this company from 98.
Sir, and yourself?
I am a public spirited consumer. My name is Pan Ratnam.
And you support Reliance in totality?
No, I had been the basic principles.
Right. I tell you what, once again, now we're going to talk about this in just a minute. But the fact remains, जहाँ तक Reliance Energy का सवाल है, Reliance Energy को BSES दे दिया गया. Let's be very clear. Reliance Energy bid for it. It was a very legal process. BSES was given to Reliance Energy और Reliance Energy को फिर एक कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइन किया गया सरकार के साथ, जिसके तहत वो आज की तारीख में बिलिंग करती है. अभी हाल ही में शिवसेना ने एक बहुत बड़ा मोर्चा रिलायंस एनर्जी के दफ्तर के सामने एक बहुत बड़ा मोर्चा ऑर्गेनाइज किया गया, जिसके तहत वहां पर लाठीचार्ज हुआ. There was a huge लाठी चार्ज. Now, this particular case that we are showing you just now has no bearing on that, but this does. The point is this: Reliance is there to make money. Reliance is there to maximize profits. That is the basic thing about Reliance. As far as power is concerned, power is the right of every citizen of this country. That's what we believe. Now, if government wants Reliance to maximize profits, that is between the government and Reliance, and if they can find a way of making Reliance make more money, that's up to them, but not at our cost. So who's going to pay for that subsidy? Why should we subsidize the profits of Reliance? That's the basic question. Now, we've got three very distinguished gentlemen sitting right over here in the studio and sitting very, very patiently indeed. Thank you so much, gentlemen, for being so patient. Right. You wanted to say something when I was talking about Reliance. You were about to say something about when, and I remember I was talking about Reliance is there to maximize its profits. And you were about to say something at that time. What were you about to say, sir?
See, basically Reliance is a company which is formed in a fraud manner. They wanted to loot the public. Today they are sending, about 70 to 80% of the consumers wrong billing and collecting crores and crores of rupees.
Gee.
And MARC, we have made several complaints to MARC, government officials, chief ministers, and everybody, but no action is taken to stop this nonsense. And also, when you go to these people, that you make a complaint to these Reliance people, authorities, they say bill is all right. If you don't pay the money, they will remove the plug.
कहने का मतलब ये हुआ कि सबसे पहले आप अपना बिल दीजिए, भले ही बिल inflated हो, and we will talk about it later.
Yeah.
Isn't that right? Isn't that what happens?
No, they always say that our meter is ready, we check the meter, it is perfect. And in fact, what has happened is that they just removed the old meter which was put by BSES people, and they put Chinese meters without telling you.
Right.
Forcibly they put Chinese meter which is varying on 30 to 40%.
And we have some data to back this up.
Of course, we have
evidence.
got files. We will show you the lot of people coming to us with their excess billing, and we have got record with this.
Right, and the
the
MERC has given permission to hike up rates again.
Yes.
Right, wonderful. Congratulations. Sir.
No, sir, I wanted to bring the issues this way. This particular company, first of all, they do not have a license to supply electricity in Mumbai. Right from the beginning. The company's name has been changed in 1992.
Right.
As per the law, the name has to be transferred. Nobody can sell the electricity without having a license. But unfortunately, the government is hand in glove with this organization. Right from the very beginning, sir.
लेकिन अब्रोल साहब ये जो आप बात कर रहे हैं बड़ी सनसनीखेज बात है कि रिलायंस एनर्जी के पास लाइसेंस तक नहीं है बिजली बेचने का, सिर्फ बिजली वितरण करने का और शायद डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करने का लाइसेंस है.
नहीं है।
Is that also there or no?
नहीं है।
And that license is
नहीं
not
है।
there. Right. All right. We learn something new every day. So Reliance Energy does not have the license either to sell, distribute, or produce electricity.
No, for production of electricity after the Electricity Act 2003
Yes.
has changed.
Right.
Earlier, prior to this particular condition, under the Electricity Act 1910, there was a condition laid down by the government. For generation of electricity and transmission and for distribution, there should be license. But after the 10th of June 2003,
Right.
now only for distribution and transmission there is a license. Quietly, after I have filed a complaint in Bombay High Court, where 148 crore rupees are collected from the public without the authority of law by this company. That case is going on in Bombay High Court, and thereafter, and there was another case also filed by another gentleman, where they have charged quite high electricity to the consumers. Knowing this particular thing, now the government will come out that they have changed this particular law, and they have given lot of power, enormous power to the electricity companies in the as in today. Now, as per the law says, in case they bill you, so you first pay 50% of electricity charges.
Now, which is the strangest possible thing, which is the worst possible thing, because tomorrow you may get a bill for about 1 lakh of rupees, so you first pay 50,000,
Yes.
and only then you're going to be
Yes,
listened
that is
to.
also not agreeing to that.
No, as per they make
As
a
per the
bill,
law, but they are not agreeing to that also.
They want 100% payment.
They
first.
want 100% payment.
and you have to file the case. Now, court has been debarred over there. That is the issue is going on. Now, I am coming to today's issue.
Ji.
Under the MERC has been created under Electricity Act 2003. Now, after the commencement of the electricity, our Constitution of India, every law which has to be framed in this country has to be equal to before law.
Ji.
Under Article 40.
Ji.
We have been asking this particular thing from the very beginning. Now, in Bombay alone itself, electricity is being sold at two places at two different rates.
That's right. You just have to cross Mahim.
No.
And you are at a totally different rate.
Now, I just give you an example. Today, it's sell the electricity in Mahim for 100 units.
Yes.
100 unit, I have to pay 1 rupee 80 paisa per unit.
At
So,
Mahim, it's 1 rupee 80 paisa per unit for 100 units.
100 units.
जी.
And
1 रुपए 80 पैसे
एक
पर यूनिट
हाँ।
100 यूनिट के लिए
100 यूनिट के लिए
महिम में
महिम में
जी।
और जैसे महिम से हम क्रॉस करके बांद्रा में आ जाए
जी।
उसके पैसे हो गए 2 रुपए 96 पैसे
2 रुपए 96 पैसे
पर यूनिट
for 100 units.
हाँ जी
Right. So all you need to do now, please remember this, especially for those of you who are watching us outside Mumbai, who are not familiar with the topography of Mumbai. Mahim एक सड़क सेपरेट करती है महिम और बांद्रा को. अगर उस सड़क को क्रॉस कर लिया जाए, हम इस तरफ आ जाएं, तो जनाब 1 रुपए 80 पैसे जो आप पर यूनिट देते हैं इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का, बिजली का, क्योंकि वो बेस्ट का एरिया है, BEST का एरिया है, आप जैसी सड़क पार करें आपको 3 रुपए 96 पैसे दें.
2 रुपए
96 पैसे, माफ कीजिएगा, 2 रुपए 96
1 रुपए 16 पैसे जाते
Right. So
उसके
only on crossing the road. Now we coming to that. This is only for the first 100 units, by the way. That is only for the first 100 units. So you're paying 1 rupee 16 paise per unit more if you just cross the road from Mahim. जी बताएं.
एंड उसके ऊपर गवर्नमेंट इज हैंड ग्लो मैंने जो बोला
जी.
उसके बाद इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ड्यूटी है 12%. सो आई हैव टू पे 12% मोर
On apart from the 1 rupee 16 paisa, right? So that works out
total
to.
amount I have to pay more money. So my prices of the electricity goes up. And
So the total amount that you will have to pay would be around 40 paisa more. 40 पैसे के करीब आपको और ज्यादा लगेंगे.
और ज्यादा चार्ज पर लगेंगे
जी. 40 के 36 पैसे के
उसके
करीब.
ऊपर वापस 15 पैसे पर यूनिट जो है हमको हरियाणा टैक्स भरना पड़ेगा. ये उसके ऊपर उसके अलावा FSC लगा देते हैं. तो ये तो अभी की बात कर रहे हैं. और यहाँ पर बिजली बेचने का काम जो है पिछले 100 साल से जो कंपनी कर रही है उसका नाम है टाटा पावर कंपनी.
जी.
टाटा पावर कंपनी जो है 2025 मेगावाट बिजली रोज की 1 घंटे पैदा करती है.
जी.
उनको जो लाइसेंस दिया गया है, उनके पास जो लाइसेंस रोक लिया गया था, उनका रेट है 1 रुपए 30 पैसा.
जी.
100 यूनिट का 1 रुपए 30 पैसा और जहाँ BSC का 1 रुपए 80 पैसा. अब BSC जो है वो सेकेंडरी इंडस्ट्री है, मतलब उनके पास लाइसेंस जनरेशन का लाइसेंस नहीं उनके पास. उनको वो बिजली खरीदते हैं टाटा के पास से 800 मेगावाट
और वितरण करते हैं.
और वितरण करते हैं.
जी. डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं.
डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करते हैं.